Hello, we are here working on our brand new ice cream truck, Ram ProMaster 3500 extended cab high roof. We'll be using it for our new ice cream truck. Wrap House Graphics has done an excellent job putting all the graphics on the vehicle. If you look in here, slide the door open. The serving counter will have a magnetic sign for the steel panels. We've insulated all the panels with 3M insulation. Stainless steel counter. It's about 8 feet long, 3-bay sink. Wastewater, fresh water, I got to get those plumbed in. We have 2 inches of styrofoam, pink styrofoam in the ceiling. And then we will put the reinforced fiberglass paneling on top of that. We got 2 layers of Thinsulate in the walls, 2 inches of pink styrofoam. So my next project is plumbing. I got a box of plumbing parts. 3-bay sink, hand washing sink, wastewater, fresh water. I need to get all that hooked up and put the floor in. I have 3/4 inch plywood flooring that's been repurposed from a warehouse. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll just keep on keeping on.